feel like there's so many videos done from my car, you guys. Okay, so just now was first lab work and ultrasound of the natural cycle. My lining is already thick. However, I have 2 millimeters of fluid in there. It is the appropriate pattern, but I do have 2 millimeters of fluid in there. When she asked me, she said, "Are you having any discharge?" And I said, "No." And she's like, "Well," and I said, "But this is normal for my cycle. My cycle normally goes about 4 days of heavy. I get like 3 days off, and then I have 3 or 4 more days of like spotting off and on. And we are right at the 7-day mark. So last Monday is when my period started. So I'm not surprised. I told her, I'm like, even yesterday I was still having some spotting, and that is my normal pattern for when I am not on birth control." So she was like, "Oh, okay, then that makes sense." So, I took a picture of the ultrasound so you can see a trimilinear pattern, which is the black, white, black, and then the fluid pocket in there. I'm going to post it on my Instagram. But yeah, that's what we're doing. She said, "I'll hear from them today, and from here on out," this was my only concrete appointment, "from here on out, everything is, we say come and you come type of thing." I have absolutely no schedule other than potential transfer on the 24th, but that is a very loose potential. It is very easily changed depending on what's going on in life and what's going on with the ultrasounds and whatnot. So we will see later today, I guess. I am very indifferent, and already even her just telling me that there's fluid in there makes me a little emotional about it, and upsets me a little bit, but that's okay because there's supposed to be fluid, is what she's saying, is that it's normal that there is if that's my normal pattern. So I don't know, we'll see. Everybody around me has super positive thoughts about it, and I'm just over here being a negative Nancy. So we'll see. I don't know, we'll see.
Okay, so first ultrasound and blood work done. They have me coming back on Wednesday, and want to go from there. They didn't really say much in their email. They just said, "Okay, doc wants to see you back on Wednesday." So another lab work and ultrasound on Wednesday. There was fluid in the lining, which I think I told you I will put up on my YouTube, or on my, my Instagram. But as of right now, there's not a whole lot more information. It's just come back on Wednesday. So I don't know. We'll see.